In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add product in Payhip. By the end, you'll have a product live and ready to sell. We'll cover the dashboard, uploading your file, setting the title and price, adding cover media, writing a description, choosing visibility and publishing. Sign in to your Payhip account and open your dashboard. At the top menu, you'll see the main sections you'll use often. Click products to view your product list. If your store is new, it may be empty. That's fine. We're about to add your first item. Select Add Product. Payhip will prompt you to choose a product type. Pick what matches your offer. For this walkthrough, choose Digital Product, ideal for files like ebooks, templates, music, videos, software, or PDFs. You can always add other product types later as your catalog grows. On the Digital Product screen, start by uploading your file. Click Upload Product File and select it from your computer. Use the final version and keep file names clear so customers recognize their download. If your file is large, compress it to keep delivery fast and user-friendly. Next, add a clear, benefit-focused title. Think about the phrases your customer would search and include them naturally. Then set your price to reflect value and audience expectations. You can change pricing later, so choose a sensible starting point that fits your goals and positioning. Add your cover media. You can include images or embed short audio or video, up to 9 items. Use high-quality visuals that preview what buyers receive. Keep styling consistent and ensure any on-image text is readable. Strong visuals help your listing stand out and convert better. Write a concise, persuasive description. Explain what the product is, who it's for, what's included, and any requirements. Highlight benefits and expected outcomes. If there are variations or usage rights, clarify them here so buyers know exactly what they're getting before they purchase. Set product visibility. Decide whether visitors can see this product now or keep it hidden while you finalize details. When everything looks right, review the file, title, price, cover media, and description one more time to make sure they're accurate and aligned with your offer. Finally, click Add Product to publish. Payhip will create your product page so you can share the link or place it in collections on your storefront. That's it. You've added a product in Payhip. Preview the listing and you're ready to promote it and start selling.